I'm at the reconstructed Seventies Hall here in Nauvoo, and the original building, my great-great-great-great-grandfather, Stephen Winchester, would have attended here for meetings of the various councils of the 70. Stephen Winchester was one of the very first people called to be a 70 in the early church period. After the failure of the kind of Zion's Camp militia expedition, when members of the church formed an illegal militia and marched the 800 miles or whatever it is from Kirtland to Independence, not quite making it all the way to Independence, to Clay County, Missouri, where they were trying to redeem Zion by force, but of course they were hopelessly outnumbered, and they decided not to do it at the very end, and which was a good thing because they would have been massacred. After that debacle, all of the people who had remained loyal to Joseph Smith and who had been in that camp, many of them were called to new priesthood offices, and this is when Joseph Smith organized the quorums of the 12 apostles and also of the 70. And so my grandfather, who had been one of the captains of Zion's Camp, became one of those very first 70, and then he later lived here in Nauvoo.